Okay. Guys, let's take 5 minutes, 10 minutes break, and let's meet in the studio that's really nice, okay? To make some comments, and then we to organize a big plan.
Aneta, you are busy this evening.
No, I go with you. I mean, I just didn't have.
Yeah, okay. Maybe you have a mobile number.
I could just call. But you know what? I've been on Facebook because I have to very personal with them, and then thanks so much.
And it would be so nice to go with you.
Yeah. What time is it? Yes. What time is it? At 8.
It's a short band at 9.
Okay. I don't know how much time I will because I talk to you right now from the hour, but then I will be home and then I will attend to in Facebook. You have Facebook on the mobile?
I don't know. It's a bit strange because it's not really, but I think I can check.
Or you can also send me by Facebook your telephone number, and then I will know, and then we will organize somehow.
Okay. Or I give you now my telephone number.
Okay, but I don't. Could you write me somewhere?
And I just.
You don't have to borrow from Mestre.
Thank you.
Give it back
No, in the segunda-feira because I want to make for them. Actually, maybe I will make for them for right now.
You can have.
Okay. I can just take it. No, so thank you. Thank you.
I don't have the key.
Okay.
I want to open it, but I just have it to.
Okay, I think I will make with them for that.
Maybe it's a little bit strong already.
Oh, so nice.
Mainly we're not practicing. I just have this. If it's too strong.
Okay. Now, just. I will not put them inside. Thank you, Veronica. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, super.
No, so it was really nice.
Nice.
It was amazing
Cool.
that we
Yeah, it was good to come together.
To come together. It was
very nice.
Really nice. Really. Thanks
Super.
a lot.
It was
like,
a very
hello.
it was a very good opportunity that was open because we didn't really know what to do. They didn't really have own pieces.
And
so it was a perfect thing.
Wow,
That's
nice. Thanks a lot.
Super.
You know, thanks. This is my
thank
number.
you
Okay,
too.
call me. Okay, thanks. Okay, and
for the next because you're making it in 1
June
week or something.
No, I mean
in June.
this I make on Thursday, actually.
Yeah.
But
I think it's that for them it's quite difficult to repeat it because I brought some of the lights.
Yeah, I know.
And I brought the console and so on.
But I will speak with Rose.
I mean, they could try.
I will speak with Rose that she could contact maybe you in June. I don't know. You worked here for the school or not? To make them light.
Not like all the time.
Not all the time.
Not in June.
Yeah.
So I mean, not for the end.
Okay.
Things.
But I will
also
ask her.
don't have really the time.
Okay. I understand.
Many things to do.
Yeah, but then maybe they can some light with where was not here, which and maybe they can
you
replace
can talk
or they
to
will
them.
know. Yes.
They can try.
Yes.
Some of the things are for sure possible. Some others maybe not. Maybe you can rethink.
With different
you have
options
to kind
like
of
we
organize.
see.
So
Thanks a lot. It was
thank
really
you
nice.
too. And the videotape. I think the best would maybe be.
Who has this? Who is?
It's a camera from here.
Yeah, but who is responsible?
Nobody.
But for whom
So
you
I can
give back?